Guys, you know what? I don't think you would be able to find a luxurious but cheapest guest house or hotel in Ghana apart from the one that I'm going to show you today. Yes, this is a very beautiful, cheapest and luxury guest house which is found in Tafo, Kumasi, Ghana, and it is also extremely cheap. The maximum price for this hotel is just $13, which is 200 Ghana cedis, and the minimum price is $7, which is 100 Ghana cedis. And one thing that I love about this hotel is particular guest house operates differently because it uses solar panels. So it is not any other hotel or guest house that you go and they'll be telling you, oh sorry, we don't have light, you would have to wait, our plants are faulty, our generators are not working and all that. No, this one looks and operates very differently. They have a solar system or solar panel that gives them light, so they don't have problem with lighting system, and the place is fully air conditioned. So all the rooms that you see, all the rooms are fully air conditioned, and the place looks very neat, extremely clean. So this is a room for a person, just a single room guest house, and the place looks very beautiful, very good, very neat, very clean, and the arrangement and everything, like, oh my goodness, looks very good. I loved this place because all the arrangement and everything that you could think of are being found in this room. And because when you go to the other hotels and then they are charging you like $30, and then you are not being given all the fully services that you need. But this place that you will come, they are charging you just $7 to $13. So yeah, and it looks very affordable, very good. And one thing that I want you to know is this place, they do not provide a breakfast. Yes, so you can make an arrangement with the hotel manager that you want a breakfast for yourself or your guest that you've come around with, and then they will make an arrangement for that. Apart from that, everything is fine. Everything looks very clean. Like the rooms look very good, spacious, and everything. So moving around, going into the rooms and checking out everything that I could compare with other hotels, and I found out that this looks very cheap, this place looks very clean, and this place also looks extremely affordable, because paying just like $7, which is equivalent to 100 cedis, let me see, and also $13, which is equivalent to 200 cedis per night. It depends if they are having twins rooms as well, or they're having double bedroom. So either and that one, I think that one cost 200 cedis, and then the single ones are 100 cedis, and they are having 150 cedis. Yeah, 150 Ghana cedis room. So 100 cedis room, 150 cedis rooms, and 200 cedis room, and all the things that you could think of are being found in this room. The rooms looks very big, spacious, very clean, and yeah, the way that they've made the arrangement and all that, I really love this place because it is not expensive. It is not expensive as compared to other guest house that you will go and then you wouldn't find any interesting thing in that room. So I'm recommending this place to you. This place is located at Tafo, near Old Akwesi upon building. So even the manager's number is on the screen, so you can just call the manager and then they would pick you up wherever that you find yourself when you are also close to the place. So this is called Quality Inn Guest House. Quality Inn Guest House. I'm fully recommending this guest house, and you are going to love this place, and this is very, very cheap as well. So just go for it. I'm reminding you that SiBerTours, we have a lot of things doing. We have 3 classes. We have tours, Kumasi City tours that you can book your tours with us. We have Accra tours. If you want to have a great experience in Accra, you can let us know. We have also beautiful experience that we are embarking on, that is 10 days, very affordable. safari tours as well, and the last is we have our museum tours. So make sure that you book all your tours with us. Thank you so much for your time. Bye for now.